And this one is the latest one. So this is UV fiberglass, and so which means they have the solid UV and also with the fiberglass. So the feature for this one is like so it's glass filling. So it's like when you put it on the phone, so you tap it, so and you move it, so everything is quite smooth and it's like glass. So this is because they have the glass fiber inside, and this one make it also is quite tough and strong. And this one is easier, so they have the solid UV, it's not liquid UV, so that means you don't need to put it the liquid one annually. And so the seam is like you cut it, so the film is inside, you cut it, and so here is the UV light, so you put the UV light here, you can use this UV light. You can also use the machine, so this one can do the vacuum and the UV at the same time, so both can give a good feeling. So glass filling and the fingerprint is work perfect for this one and never broken.